What's up guys, and welcome back to JoJoButter, your one-stop spot for tips and tutorials on natural men's skincare. Now ladies, if you're watching, it is highly appreciated and encouraged because natural skincare is good for all skin types. I personally see a need for more male figures in the natural skincare world, and after running and creating my own skincare company for 2 years, I feel highly qualified. But I'm about to hop right into this video because I'm super excited. This is the first time I'm doing a giveaway, and I'm actually doing 3 giveaways. So you have 3 chances to win one of these sets, and I will be explaining what is in them and how you can win them at the end of this video. In this video, I'm going to be going more in depth about oil cleansing. If you watched my last video, then you know for my natural skincare routine, I actually use oil to cleanse my skin. After that, I'm going to tell you guys my top 3 recommended oils to use for oil cleansing and why. And then I will be telling you what's in these skincare sets, how you can get one for free, shipping included on me. So let's hop on in. So, what is oil cleansing? Oil cleansing is exactly what it sounds like. It's a method of cleansing your skin using oils. This is actually backed by a lot of science. There's a scientific principle called like dissolves like. So if you have a lot of oil, dirt, and debris on your face, you can use a like compound, like oil, to dissolve this off of your face. Now, why is oil cleansing great? It's a great method to use because it's safe. You can cleanse your skin using oil and you won't strip away any natural oil that your skin produces, but you'll be removing the oil by dissolving it. This is also great if you have dark spots because oil cleansing is very moisturizing and it helps get the pH levels of your skin back intact. So, I'm about to tell you guys what 3 oils I recommend using. First, I always recommend using jojoba oil. I use an Egyptian cold pressed jojoba oil because it's organic and very good for your skin. Jojoba oil in general though, which is in the skincare set, is good for all skin types. If you have oily, dry, combination, or sensitive skin, jojoba oil is an all-around oil that naturally is the closest to resembling the sebum that we already produce. Out of all the oils, jojoba oil is the closest to the natural sebum that our skin already produces, so skin takes to it very well. There's something called a Comedogenic scale, and that rates oils based on likeliness to clog pores. Jojoba oil is about a 2 or 1, so that means it's not likely to clog your pores at all. But if you do have sensitive skin and your pores do clog easily, next I would definitely recommend Argan Oil. Argan Oil has a comedogenic rating of 0. That means it simply won't clog your pores. Argan Oil is also great if you have older type skin or if you want to give your skin some new fresh life because it's great at reviving. After that, I would definitely recommend using sweet almond oil. This is great because it's nourishing. It's very moisturizing. If you have dry skin, sweet almond oil will be your best friend for oil cleansing. Sweet almond oil also only has a comedogenic rating of 1 or 2 as well, which means it's not likely to clog your skin or pores. It's a great oil to use. One process I did want to talk about though is using hot water. This is very essential when oil cleansing because hot water or steam breaks down the oil that's on your face and allows you to wipe it away. After that, you always want to use a toner. A toner is an ingredient that can balance your pH levels and remove excess oil from your skin. Toner is actually in this set that I'm giving away, and I handmade these toners myself with great ingredients. I did want to shine some light on an oil that I'm a little skeptical about using, which is very popular, coconut oil. Coconut oil has a comedogenic rating of 4. That means if you do have sensitive skin, it is likely to clog your pores. I've also seen numerous personal reviews where coconut oil has broken people's skin out. For me personally, even though I have sensitive skin, coconut oil does not seem to break me out, and it's a great oil to use when cleansing. I also recommend using coconut oil if you're just starting to switch to natural skincare. If you're coming from Noxzema and other brands that use chemicals, coconut oil is very powerful at cleansing and is a good way to mitigate your skin into turning into very natural, healthy skin. Now, let's talk about this giveaway. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm giving away free stuff. In this giveaway, you have 3 chances to win. I'm sending out 3 sets. What's in these sets? It's going to include some cotton pads that you can use for your handmade toner. Toner, like I said, is essential in the skincare process. And in my toner, I only use 2 ingredients: organic apple cider vinegar and water. But what's great about this toner is I actually pack them with 2 more ingredients: clary sage essential oil and tea tree essential oil. You guys might have heard of tea tree oil before. It's amazing. It's antibacterial and helps with all types of acne. Also including in this set is going to be jojoba oil. I just got done telling you about why this oil is so amazing and how it's changed my skin. You guys need some of this. Now, how do you win one of these sets? Very, very simple. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and then follow me on Instagram at JO_JO_butter. I actually follow everybody back on that account because I'm trying to start it up for JoJoButter. And all you have to do after subscribing and following me on Instagram is comment in this video and tell me either one skincare product you're using so I can show you how to make it using 5 natural ingredients or less, or just tell me about some skincare problems you might be facing. That's it. After that, you will be entered to win one of these sets completely free on me, shipping included. And I'll be announcing the winners next week on Tuesday. So stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, stay aware, keep that skin clear. Always at JoJoButter. We out.